I'm Jasen Albrecht with Angel Honey Farm. We're located just north of Huron, South Dakota. Today we've finished, as you can see, our employees have finished harvesting the supers, and we've reduced the populations down to the bottom single brood box. The crew uses a Mann Lake liquid feed. It's a Pro Sweet. We use a Pro Health essential oil feed additive in that liquid feed, as well as a Mann Lake pollen patty. In this particular patty, I can show a close-up of one of the frames, be able to see some healthy bees and healthy brood. They're enjoying this pollen patty. That'll stimulate the queen for some additional brood. That's an advantage of feeding a pollen patty. And this is mid-September. You can see some brood is finishing. 21-day cycle. Some of this brood is hatching. We're winding down the natural brood cycle.
Thank you for watching. We're happy to be able to provide videos from finding your queen to checking for mites. Follow our YouTube channel for new content.